Welcome to Elin, a sandbox open world RPG with roguelike gameplay. If you're new and unsure how to begin, this guide will help you survive, craft, and to explore your way to success. Begin by choosing traits that boost survival skills like crafting and scavenging. When you spawn, gather basic resources like wood, stone, and food. These are essential for crafting tools and building a shelter before nightfall. The world is divided into biomes, each with unique resources and dangers. Use your map to mark shelters and resources. Start in safer areas like forests before venturing into harsher zones like deserts or caves. Craft tools like axes and pickaxes to gather efficiency, and build a shelter for protection. For combat, start small, learn enemy patterns and craft weapons. Always carry healing items to stay prepared. Alright, and that's basically your quick start to Elin. Gather resources, explore carefully, and craft to survive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your tips or questions in the comments. Good luck and see you in the game.